Hi guys, so today I'm doing a makeup tutorial on myself. I've actually already done the makeup. This is the makeup. It's just a really super easy summer glowy makeup tutorial. This is a makeup I've been doing on myself all summer long. I've been doing it when I was on vacation because you really don't need that many products for it, and you can really do it under 15 minutes. So I hope that you like it. I'm also going to give away my primer I have created with Dr. Barbara Sturm. I want one of you guys out there to enjoy this product and to try it out. And in order to win this product, all you have to do is have the notification bell on, subscribe to my channel, and give me some thumbs up. And once I've uploaded this video, I will announce the winner in the next 24 hours. So good luck with you guys. Okay, to get started, I have a new product here by Garth Fisher, and it's a sunblock. It's SPF of 55, and I have to say that this is such a great new sunblock. It works so well underneath makeup. It's always really hard for me to find a really good sunscreen which works under makeup because a lot of them are too greasy or they just kind of interfere with the foundation. I really like this one. Next, I'm applying my NARS Tinted Moisturizer. This here is the shade Greenland. I've been using this NARS Tinted Moisturizer all summer. The way how I apply it is with a beauty blender, and I just apply it directly onto my skin with a beauty blender because I don't have a lot of time and I want to do my makeup fairly quickly, and I feel like the beauty blender kind of like saves me a lot of time. Alright, next I'm using this contour stick by Lancome. It comes with a highlighter and it comes with a contour stick. I've been using this again all summer because it's just really quick and easy, and all I really do is I just contour just a little bit to create a little bit of definition in my face. So I just really kind of go like that. I also contour a little bit around my chin area, and if you feel like you need to bring it into your temple, forehead, temple, and if you want, you can do your nose a little bit, just a tiny little bit. And then I take my beauty blender and I just blend it all in. And this is just really, again, for me, I just like to have a little bit of definition in my face. It's not too heavy of a contour. It just, again, just to add a little bit more color and a little bit of shape to my face. For my brows, all I'm doing is I'm applying my glossy boy brow. This here is the shade Blonde. I love this because it's so effortless, and if I'm in a hurry and during the day, if I don't do too much of a makeup look, I just love this because it creates more texture in my brows and it just makes them, look really groomed, and it's easy. Okay, for my eyes, I've been using this stick here by Nude Stick all summer long. I love it because it's like the perfect kind of bronzy color. It looks really good on my eyes. It really brings out the eye color of me. Now you can just use this stick all by itself if you want to, and all you would have to do is apply it, and then you can use your fingers. I'm going to make it a little bit more special for today. I actually want to do a halo eye, and I think a halo eye is so great for women who have deep set eyes, because it really kind of like brings out your eye a little bit more. So what I'm doing is I'm really directly using my stick, and I'm applying it not all over my eye. I'm really just doing it on the outer corner, like really close to my lash line. And then I'm also doing it in the inner corner, and I'm leaving the middle blank of my eye. So just like the inner corner and then the outer corner. And right now this looks like a total mess, but I promise you it will all come together. And then I'm also doing this a little bit on the lower lash line. And then I take a brush, this one here is by MAC, and I'm just blending that a little bit. And then you can also use your fingers to blend. And then I'm also blending the lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with my new Jouer palette. It's this one right here, the one I'm holding in my hands. And I'm using the color right up here, this color, just to kind of like go in and set this, you know, the nude stick, and then to also create a little bit more of a socket in my eye. And I'm also going to bring that color on the lower lashes. And this doesn't have to be precise, it's just kind of like to create a little bit of a shadow underneath my eye right there. And again, go into the socket. And this really kind of like sets also this nude stick I used earlier. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. Now, to create the kind of halo effect in my eye makeup, I'm going to use the lighter shade up here. You see this color right here. And I'm using my finger. And all I'm really doing is I'm going to fill that blank part I used earlier, the one I didn't use any products. I'm really just kind of like pressing the middle part. It's kind of like the eyeball, I would say, in the middle of your eye. And then I take a clean MAC brush and I just blend it. And what this does, it's great for deep set eyes because it kind of really brings out my eye. It kind of opens it up a little bit. If you kind of think of, you know, the darker shades should go in the outer corner, in the inner corner, in the middle you want to brighten, and it like really kind of opens up your eye. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Don't forget to curl your lashes. I'm using Benefit Roller Lashes. I love this mascara. It just really works on me. It really does what it says. It just really gives a beautiful curl, a beautiful bend to my lashes, and it doesn't look too clumpy. I'm also going to put a little bit of the mascara on the lower lashes. Now for my cheeks, this is another product I've been using all summer long. I really love this so much. It's the NARS Illuminating Loose Powder. It's the color Orgasm. Now what makes this different is when you open it up, you can see it has all these like tiny little specks. Now a little bit goes a long way. You really don't want to use too much of this product. I'm using it here on my SMASHBOX brush. This here is my brush. And I'm really just applying it on the cheeks, and I'm also bringing it up a little bit. I'm bringing the product more upwards, and as you can hopefully the camera picks it up. It's just so illuminating, and it just looks so beautiful on like a bronzed tan skin color. And I've been wearing this on my holiday, on my vacation. I've been wearing it really day and night, and I just love what it looks like on the skin and how it like really brings out such a beautiful glow in my skin. This here is a new concealer by Clé de Peau. As you all know, I'm such a huge fan of the original Clé de Peau concealer. This one here comes in a pen form, and you can really literally work directly out of the pen and apply it this way. You can go in with your fingers or your beauty blender or a brush. And I love it because it's really great when you know, during the day, if you need to touch yourself up again, you can like literally take it with you in your purse. I like using it around my T-zone. Anywhere where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage, this is so great because it's like really quick. You can touch up on the go, and it's a little bit lighter. It's not as heavy. And I love the way how it just doesn't go into your fine lines, and it just looks really natural on your skin. All right, for my powder, I'm using my Laura Mercier loose setting powder. Now, Laura Mercier also just came out with another loose powder, and this one here is the Glow powder. You can see the difference is one has a matte top and one has a shiny top. Now, the original setting powder is just so great for setting your makeup. And they also came out with this amazing new brush. I love this brush so much. As you can see, it has all these different little angles in here. And I love it because you can really get into every single corner. Like, look, you can go right here around your nose area. It's so good for, you know, everything. I love it so much. Now, this is the loose, translucent original powder I'm using first to kind of like go into my T-zone to set my makeup. And then I'm going in with the new powder. This one here is the Glow powder. And this one I like to use kind of like on the high points of my face. Now you can use this, you know, a little bit here on your forehead. You can use it underneath your eyes. You can use it on the bridge of your nose. You can use it a little bit around your chin area. And this just gives you a little bit, it's like very finely milled, and it just gives you a little bit of luminosity. I love these two new powders. Well, the Glow powder is new, and the translucent powder has been in my makeup kit for years. All right, so the last thing is I would like to just share with you this new lip balm. It's called Les Paradis, and my girlfriend Stephanie has created this really small line. She has a few lip balms and another body product. This one here is called Mykonos. It's a watermelon flavor, and I just love applying it, you know, in the summer on my lips, just to use a little bit of a lip balm. This is great when you're at the beach also, and you just feel like you want a little bit of moisture on your lips. I love it. I love the packaging. Stephanie, you did such a great job. This again is the product. And then to top it off, I'm just going to apply a little bit of this Pacifica lip gloss. I love the color. It's this perfect rose gold. Beautiful color. And that is it. I hope that you guys like this like summer, super easy, glowy makeup look. This is something I've been doing on myself every day, really, this summer. I also wanted to mention to you guys that this is my very first video I've done on my own. What I mean with that is normally when I do a makeup tutorial is that I have a camera guy, I have an assistant, I have someone, you know, who helps me edit my videos. And my New Year's resolution this year was that I wanted to learn how to do things more on my own, and I really wanted to learn how to edit a makeup tutorial because it's just so much easier really when I do it myself. So this is my first ever video I did on my own. Now, if it's not as perfect, please don't judge, because it's really my first one, and I really just want to create more content for you guys and do it more often. And in order for me to do it more often, it's just easier if I do it on myself, because I don't have to rely on so many other people. So let me know what you think. Don't forget to enter the giveaway with my primer and give the video some thumbs up, and I see you soon. Thanks for watching.